Welcome to Wasaga Beach, the longest freshwater beach in the world. Whether you're here to soak up the sun, explore the local sights, or simply unwind by the water, this place has something for everyone. Let's dive in and see what makes Wasaga Beach the perfect summer destination. Wasaga Beach isn't just about sun and sand, it's rich in history too. Located along the southern end of Georgian Bay, this beach has been a popular destination for over a century. With its 14 kilometers of sandy shoreline, it has attracted visitors from all over the world. But did you know that Wasaga Beach was also the site of an important battle during the War of 1812? Today, it's not just a place of beauty, but a site of historical significance. There's no shortage of things to do at Wasaga Beach. Whether you're into water sports like paddleboarding and jet skiing or prefer a laid-back day of swimming and sunbathing, this beach has you covered. For the more adventurous, there's even parasailing for a bird's-eye view of the stunning shoreline. Bringing the family? Plenty of activities exist for all ages, from playgrounds for the little ones to picnic spots with incredible views. And don't forget to check out the local food scene. Fresh seafood, ice cream, and beachside snacks are a must. Wasaga Beach isn't just about the beach itself, it's also a gateway to incredible natural landscapes. The nearby Wasaga Beach Provincial Park is home to diverse wildlife, including many species of birds and plants. It's a great spot for nature lovers to explore. And as the day winds down, catch one of the breathtaking sunsets, a perfect end to a perfect day.
Oh my goodness. Aloy!
Welcome to Wasaga Beach, the longest freshwater beach in the world. Whether you're here to soak up the sun, explore the local sights, or simply unwind by the water, this place has something for everyone. Let's dive in and see what makes Wasaga Beach the perfect summer destination.
Ulo sedih pun mau. Apa bobo? Wacana pakatin to right. Alay kid.
Welcome to Wasaga Beach, the longest freshwater beach in the world. Whether you're here to soak up the sun, explore the local sights, or simply unwind by the water, this place has something for everyone. Let's dive in and see what makes Wasaga Beach the perfect summer destination.
Ready? Morning. Hi. કાળો નથી આવતો ને બધાનો લેજો બધાનો હા તો તો માર મને ગોળ ગોળ ફરી જાશો એમને ઊભી રહે ગાડી ને ખાવાની હે ગાડી ને ઓ આમ ઉતાર દે બ્લેક આવે બ્લેક
Throughout the summer, Wasaga Beach hosts a variety of events and festivals that bring the community and visitors together. From music festivals to beach volleyball tournaments and classic car shows, there's always something happening here. Be sure to check the event calendar when planning your visit. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Wasaga Beach is the place to be. Thanks for joining us on this tour of one of Ontario's most iconic destinations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. See you at the beach.
And that's a wrap on our visit to Wasaga Beach. I hope you enjoyed the tour and found some inspiration for your next trip. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you next time.